Welcome back, everyone. It's no secret, I don't look forward to cleaning windows and windshields inside and out. Therefore, should be no surprise, I'm always in search of the most effective, efficient window cleaner out there. So today we're going to take a look at Masterson's glass cleaner. We're looking to see if we could find a cleaner that is effortless, quick, which it claims to be, and it also claims to leave behind a water-resistant, rain-resistant coating on your glass. So let's take a look. Masterson's glass cleaner is $9.99 for 16 ounces. It is ammonia free and safe for tinted windows and all glass surfaces. It mentions that it is able to remove dirt, fingerprints, road tar, bird droppings, water spots, and much, much more from all glass surfaces. It also can clean plexiglass, clear vinyl, plastic windows, and mirrors. So the first area to test is the outside of the front windshield where it gets tons of splatter. This time of year there is a non-stop array of chemicals flying up from the roadway. So I use the magic eraser. I'll either spray it right onto the eraser or right onto the glass surface, or heavily soiled areas, I'll spray it onto both. It has no problem whatsoever and is effortless to use, both applying and removing on the outside. So we're going to move to the inside, where sometimes we have some fogging, some film comes up from the chemicals that are evaporating from the dash as the sun comes down onto it and sticks to the window. That could be a pain and cause a ton of streaking. So I'm really anxious to see how it works in here. Again, as I use inside and out, it's going to be with the magic eraser. It actually works fantastic on the inside as well, so I'll bring you up close, let you see how it works in first person. And this should be a very good angle for you to see it removes quickly with no streaking. Don't forget mirrors inside and out, any plastic covering and protecting the instrument cluster, any screens in the center of the dash, any stainless steel or chrome or lacquered trim on the inside or out. It cleans effectively and streak-free. When it comes to the product's ability to repel rain or free-flowing water, here you go. When I find a glass cleaner, an effective one that I really like, the automobile is not the only use I have for it. I use it in the bathroom on all porcelain, stainless steel, and chrome. And as you can imagine, that water repellent or protective coating is really beneficial in here. Again, I spray either right onto the ceramic or into a magic eraser, clean the area, mop dry. Don't forget the mirrors. and absolutely every shop window and home window inside and out. And summer is going to be here before you know it, so we got to take care of the cooler. We got to clean the glass so we can look through and check out those frosty beverages when it's 90 degrees out. And if the glass starts to sweat, no big deal. We have a nice water repellent coating on the outside. Just let it run off. Okay, I'm going to leave a link down below for the Masterson's glass cleaner. I am really liking this stuff. It makes glass and window cleaning inside and out quick, effortless, and it really has not given me a problem with streaking at all. I'm waiting for a heavily soiled window from a cigar or a cigarette smoker to come in on the inside to test it on that. Haven't had that yet, but everything else I have thrown at it, bugs splatter on the outside of the windshield, the front windshield, fogging and heavy films on the inside. It has had no problem taking care of that, and it really does leave a hydrophobic coating on your glass. So if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.